In this tutorial, I'm going to show you whether it's possible to see your incognito history on Google Chrome for Android and what options are available. Google Chrome's incognito mode is designed to not save browsing history, cookies, or site data. This means that by default, your incognito activity cannot be viewed later in Chrome. First, let's open Google Chrome on your Android device. When you browse in incognito mode, none of the websites you visit are recorded in your normal Chrome history. So if you go back to your history tab, you won't see anything from incognito sessions. However, there are still a few methods to track or monitor incognito activity if needed. For example, your internet provider or network administrator can see the websites you visit, even in incognito mode. Also, if your device is using parental control apps or monitoring software, they may log your browsing activity. Another way to indirectly see activity is through Google account activity. If you are signed into your Google account while browsing and have web and app activity turned on, Google may save your activity in your account even from incognito mode, depending on certain settings. You can check this by going to myactivity.google.com and reviewing your activity there. It's important to note that incognito mode is meant for privacy on the device itself, so it doesn't guarantee complete invisibility. You cannot retrieve your incognito browsing history from the Chrome app directly. So to summarize, there is no native way to see incognito history in Chrome on Android, but activity may still be visible through your Google account, network, or monitoring apps. Always be aware of this if privacy is your concern. And that's it. Now you know how incognito mode works on Android and the limitations when it comes to seeing browsing history. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and obviously happy Google Chrome using.